Data science starts with data, usually messy, incomplete, and spread across files and tables. The work is about cleaning that data, understanding it, and finding patterns that actually matter. Python is the tool we will use to do that. Python lets us load data, organize it, run calculations, and visualize results in a clear and repeatable way. With libraries like Pandas and NumPy, Python handles large datasets much more efficiently than spreadsheets. In this series, we won't learn Python in isolation. We will learn only what's needed to solve data problems. I am just showing Python the way people actually use it when working with data. Let's start with the installation. First, we will go to the Visual Studio Code website and download VS Code for our system. Once the download is complete, install it using the default options. Next, we need Python. On my system, I already have Homebrew installed, so I will use that to install Python. If you are on another platform or you prefer a direct install, you can download Python from the official Python website. I will leave the link in the description. On the Python download page, you will see a Download Python button, along with installers for different operating systems. In most cases, the site automatically detects your operating systems and downloads the correct installer. Since I am using Homebrew, I will install Python by running brew install python. Once the installation is complete, Python is available on the system. We can verify this by checking the version python version. If you see a version number, Python is installed correctly. Now let's create a simple project. I will create a folder called Hello World, and inside it, create a file named main.py. This will be the main file for our application. Inside main.py, we will write our first line of Python code. Print Hello World. This is a complete Python program. Now let's open the terminal, navigate into the Hello World folder and run python space main.py. As you can see, Hello World is printed on the screen. That confirms everything is set up and working correctly. At this point, the setup is complete. From here on, we will stop focusing on tools and start focusing on data. In the next video, we will begin with the basics, variables, and data types, but always in the context of data, not abstract examples. The goal is simple: learn only the Python that helps you work with real data sets. Thanks for watching. I am Aksa Zafar, and on MLTude, I teach data science and machine learning in a simple step-by-step way. Practice a little and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTude for more AI and machine learning tutorials.